chess, but your pieces and pawns are pacifists. Once you capture with a piece, they can't stomach the thought of violence, and can't capture for the rest of the game. So, let's go for it. My opponent is 259 Italian. Not bad. e4, good. I'm thinking going for attack. e5. f4, very good, now I'll have some chances of winning this. d4, aggressive. g5, I can't give him this for free. e5, that's a mistake, sir. Let me now expose it. He takes my pawn, I take his. Can't use a piece, otherwise I won't use them. d5, playing with pawns only. Bishop g7, the most obvious to me. Horsey to f3, now let's move another pawn. I'm actually trying to trap. Bishop d7, I think, I don't really need that bishop. So now I'm completely sure I will be able to use it. Let's through a knight, I feel e7 is a bit better. Both castle their king, safety first. Queen d2, steeping on the bishop's foot. Knight h4, now I create final threats. Knight e5, adding second knight to the attack. Okay, so now let's move the queen and make sure it doesn't get something to capture. Knight c3, now I have to take the pawn, but I will make sure that mate is not done by... Okay, we got this.